QuickBooks Cost of Goods tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to QuickBooks.intuit.com. On the homepage, click the Login button located at the top right corner of the screen. From the options provided, choose QuickBooks Online and click it. Next, enter your email address and press Enter on your keyboard to access your account. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. On the dashboard, go to the top left of the screen and click New. From the drop-down menu, select the Journal Entry option. Here, you will be able to create a new entry. First, set the journal date according to your requirements. Then, in the table provided, click the first row and type Cost of Goods Sold. Enter the amount you want under the debit section. After that, move to the second row, type Inventory Assets, and enter the same amount under the credit section to balance the entry. When you are finished, go to the bottom right corner and click Save.